Many people are using their extra time at home to learn new recipes.
If you're looking for something new to try with your family, Angie Horkan from the Wisconsin Beef Council has some new options for you.
So, Angie, what are we working on today?
Well, I've got a couple kind of down home, really comfort foods today, slow cooked recipes. So if you've got the time, they take a little bit, but I'm using economical beef cuts.
Sounds great.
I'm using chuck roast and then stew meat. And I know it's getting spring weather out, and I really want to shift my cooking methods, get the grill out and stuff. But this time of year, I really love using my slow cooker because we're outside every night, getting the yard ready, doing all that, cleaning the patios. So I like starting my slow cooker in the morning and having that cook all day so we can get all of our yard work done and our spring cleaning, and then come in and supper's ready.
You got plenty of time these days, that's for sure.
Well, that is true. So this first recipe is actually a slow cooker pot roast soup. So we took all the flavors of pot roast and we put it into kind of a soup version. And I start with a really nice chuck roast. This is a 2-pound chuck roast. And I just chunked it up into 12 big pieces. And then that goes in the slow cooker just like this. And then I'm going to add some onion. This is 1 large yellow onion, just coarsely chopped, a cup of beef broth, a can of diced tomatoes, and these are flavored. They have a little bit of onion and garlic in them. And then frozen hash brown potatoes. So we're using frozen vegetables as a shortcut for this recipe. So frozen hash browns, all that goes in with just a little bit of dried thyme and some garlic. Put the lid on. Let it go on low all day, 8 to 9 hours. On high, you could speed it up if you want to start it at lunch. 5 to 6 hours and it'll be done. And then about a half an hour before you plan to eat, add in some broccoli slaw that you can get right in the deli or the produce department at the supermarket, a couple cups of that, and then frozen peas. So for some more vegetables.
All good stuff.
And then put the lid back on, let it go a half an hour, and you've got this really delicious, very, very easy, simple ingredients, a nice pot roast soup.
Sounds great. You had me at hash browns. That sounds so good.
Perfect. This is called slow cooked beef risotto, but it's not in the slow cooker. I did it in my stock pot on my stovetop. And all I did was I took 2 pounds of beef stew meat, just got it right from the supermarket like this. I actually browned it in batches. So kind of divided it in half, browned a pound, pulled that out, browned the second pound, did a little salt and pepper, and then add 2 cups of water and some garlic. Put the lid on, turn it down to low, and a low simmer for almost 2 hours, about 1 3/4 hours, 2 hours. And then you're just going to add in one of these really fun packaged risotto mixes. So whatever flavor you can find at the supermarket. And then right before you want to eat, because I got the risotto in here, and the risotto takes about 20 minutes, add in some peas, more color, and then some fresh grated Parmesan cheese.
Pretty simple.
Yeah.
And that's it. And both these recipes make a lot, so big batches. So if you want to cook once, dine twice, dine 3 times, these are recipes that can do that for you. So beeftips.com is our website, so check that out. Click on As Seen on TV, or on the homepage, click on At Home with Beef. So we've got a lot of great recipes, cooking tips, videos, everything you need for cooking at home now.
Okay, you can ship some of that down here.
Exactly.
Okay, let me see what I can do.
Okay.
And I would love to get it down there too, guys.
All right, Ange, thanks very much. Have a great day. Be safe.
Yes, you too.